my god. Hello? Whoa. There's cats everywhere today. Look at that one. It is just a beautiful day. Today I've been taking it chill because it's one of the last few days, but people ask me, what am I gonna do the day after I finish? Like on February 1st, what am I gonna do? I'm not gonna be able to just sleep in. I feel like you have this responsibility to innovate and do stuff, so I will not be sleeping in on February 1st. I'm kind of feeling on my first day, not in uniform, because I forgot to bring underwear. I have like athletic underwear because I was working out, but when I was in uniform, I had a checklist of all the things I needed to bring and wear and whatever, and now I just kind of wung it, and it did not go well. So I think as a first lesson, I'll continue to use checklists like I did previously. I'm at my kind of farewell lunch with my commander, and from there I will head to mom for cookie baking. When I try to be aggressive with the parking by myself and I don't have that in, I'm not very successful. She's the master of this. Yeah, I'm not parking there. All right. Find stuff for tomorrow. I've never had so much trouble picking up plates in my life. Why is there only 8? See, these are nice, but there's 10 of them, so I'd have to get so many. That's a lot of plates. Yo. Aren't people just gonna eat with their hands anyway? The thing with the plates, it's like, I could ask for plates, but then I want plates that are not like basic plates, but then, I don't know. Anyway, going to mom now. I brought the goods. Hello. I brought the goods. 200 cookies. 200 cookies. A lot of cookies. So we just filmed something for a project that will be released hopefully tomorrow. Stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
Yes, the microphone stand is a hint.
Indeed.
Indeed. We're on a mini mission now to use the rest of the sport points. I know we might find some distractions in the mall, but the game plan is to use those points. It's going really well. Getting stuff. A lot of stuff. We were very successful in the mall. We got what we needed. Now we're going to get chicken. What kind of chicken? Crispy. Crispy chicken from Yoni 71. I'm gonna drop it off. She's gonna order it, and then I'm gonna come around and pick her up, and then we're gonna eat it, and then we're gonna do work because we have work to do.
Indeed.
I have to write a speech. So, did I get our order yet?
Not yet. It was such a long line.
Oh no. We had a bit of a problem at Yoni 71 and we finally got our food
40 minutes later.
40 minutes later. We still love you, Yoni.
We still have Yoni. Yeah.
But, okay.